looking up into the corner that you're going into. That's good. Now straighten your car, don't go any faster yet. Look in your rearview mirror. Now carry on. That's how you turn that. What I want you to do is I want you to stay close to the white line in the middle. Then at the very end, when the pavement bends, angle the car to the left. Left mirror check, slow it down. Now angle and stop on the line. That's fine. Now look at anyone coming along this road going into a petrol station, then you go if it's safe. Avoid going over the line. That's lovely. There we are. Now travel at your normal pace, 30 miles an hour. So travel at a speed that you think is appropriate for where you are. Ahead. So at the roundabout, go ahead, the second exit. So what I want you to do is move your car a little to the right and reduce your speed. There's nothing coming, there's no need to stop. Gently carry on at speed you're in control. Now pull it to the left. Now slowly pull it to the right and signal left. Go a little faster. Check your mirrors as you exit the roundabout, and that's beautiful. There you are.